In this video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $1,500 per week using Facebook Instant Articles. Hey guys, welcome. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I want to talk to you about how to make money using Facebook Instant Articles. And if you don't know what Facebook Instant Articles, I'm going to post a link in the description of this video that contains a set of videos that I created that are going to explain a little bit better on how exactly Facebook Instant Articles work. This is something that a lot of people are not using because it does take a little bit of time to get into making money with instant articles because you gotta have an audience, you gotta have a following. This video is all about showing you proof that it is possible to make money with Facebook instant articles and some of the things that you need if you want to make an extra $100 a day using Facebook. Now, I've been making a very nice income with Facebook Instant Articles for over a year now. My highest month with Facebook Instant Articles was about $12,000 in a single month. Lowest month was about $4,000. On average, with multiple Facebook pages that have over 100,000 likes on multiple niches, typically I get enough traffic where it generates a consistent over $200, $300 per day. Now, this wasn't actually done overnight. It actually took some time for me to be able to build these pages out. And I actually invested a lot into advertising in order to grow these pages. That was back when you could build a Facebook page with 1 cent per like. You can still do that today. It just depends on what niche you're jumping into. I'm going to explain to you the 5 things that you need in order to make money with Facebook Instant Articles. Now, if you find value in this video, I want you to do 3 things. Number one, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content and information about making money online. Number two, make sure that you like this video. And number three, make sure that you comment. Let me know what you think of this video. So with that said, let's jump in my computer so I can show you exactly my proof. All right, guys, so I'm in my business manager account for about 5 of my Facebook pages, and I can tell you that I have over 20 Facebook pages in multiple niches and multiple categories. So I'm going to show you the earnings for these Facebook pages, the audience network, and I'm going to go to monetization manager, show you that this is a real thing. So as you can see, in the last 7 days, we have generated over 600,000 impressions to in combined traffic from multiple Facebook pages. And estimated revenue, it's about almost $1,700 in the previous 7 days. Now, if we go back to, let's say, Saturday, and we click update, you can see $229 that day. We go to Sunday, that was 214. So it's not really, it's not, you're gonna make the same amount of money every single day. Sometimes you'll make more, sometimes you'll make less, but it is definitely a very nice income that Facebook deposits into your bank account every single month. So as you can see, on the 28th, we made $346. We go to 29. That was 245. So the average is between $200 and $300 per day. That's not counting affiliate earnings. That's not counting, AdSense earnings or our own products and services that we're promoting in those same Facebook pages. So you can definitely monetize your traffic in multiple different ways where you can make a very, very nice income just using Facebook alone as a main source of traffic. Of course, I don't always recommend to do that. My advice is to diversify and get traffic from multiple sources, including YouTube, Facebook, Google. That way, you're not depending on just one source. So now that you've seen the proof, let's talk about the things that you need in order to succeed with Facebook Instant Articles. Number one is you got to have a website. You got to have a niche blog. If you don't have a website or a blog, you won't be able to apply it into the Facebook Instant Article platform. Now, before you jump into making the actual website, you're going to find out what niche you're going to jump into. For example, you can talk about pets, eating healthy, losing weight, You can have a blog about anything that you want. Just make sure that it's something that you're passionate about. You're going to need to be consistent with the content. So just setting up a blog, it's not going to be enough. You have to be consistent by adding content on a daily basis. But before you do the blog, you got to have the Facebook page, because you can't jump into the Facebook Instant Article platform without having a Facebook page. So make sure that you grow that Facebook page into 10,000 likes. If you can grow past 10,000 likes, that's even better. Your chances of making more money with Instant Articles increase. And if you're able to get traffic from countries like the United States and Canada, you're going to be able to make way more money than getting traffic from other countries out there. I also have a video that teaches you how to get likes on Facebook using video, and you can utilize some of those tips to grow your Facebook page. So once you have that Facebook page, the next step is setting up your blog. I have a few resources in the description which you can check out. Having your own blog is a very good idea, because you can talk about that in that blog. You can talk about the things that you're passionate about. On average, if you want to make, let's say, $50, $20 per day on Facebook Instant Articles, then you might need 5 to 10,000 visitors a day, because you get paid on impressions, and depends on where the traffic is coming from, how big your Facebook page is. So it will take time. Don't think that this is going to be an overnight thing, that you're going to jump into it and in a month you're going to be making $100 per day. It does take some time to build your Facebook page, and there's multiple ways that you can monetize that. You can monetize it, number one, with Facebook Instant Articles using Facebook, which you can apply to, and usually, I think they're asking for 15 articles or something that you need to have published on your niche blog before you apply. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna have, again, check the resources below. I don't quite remember the requirements to get into the Facebook Instant Articles, because I did it about a year ago. Just make sure that you abide by all the guidelines and rules that they have. Otherwise, you might have your account suspended and you won't be able to make any money. But you can also monetize your niche blog with Google AdSense, which is another way to monetize your blog. And you can monetize it with affiliate links. Let's say that you have a niche blog that talks about eating healthy, living a healthy lifestyle, for example. Well, you can add articles on that blog for tips on how to lose weight, how to eat healthy, how to have a stress-free life. And you can add those articles, and you can build a Facebook page around that blog. And what happens is, when people start sharing it and you have that Facebook Instant Article attached to your blog, you're going to be able to make money with Facebook. At the same time, you can monetize it with Google AdSense, and you can also put banners and links to different affiliate products where you can find them on ClickBank, and you can monetize your blog in 3-4 different ways. And that's going to make you enough money to be able to perhaps make a full-time income if you are able to grow your Facebook audience to 10,000, 50,000 likes and get consistent daily traffic. What I'm showing you in this video is just simply my earnings with Facebook Instant Articles. I'm not showing you my affiliate earnings, and I'm not showing you my AdSense earnings as well. I also have monetization in those specific blogs that come through different products and services that we actually offer to that same audience. So we have found a way to monetize our blogs in about 5-6 different ways. That has allowed me to build this audience to massive numbers, where we're not only making $1,500, $2,000 per week with Facebook alone, but we're also making a few $1,000s on our website with AdSense, with affiliate products, with our own products and services. So I hope that you enjoy these tips and videos and you take action, because the main thing about watching YouTube videos is that you might watch 100 videos, but if you don't take any action, then what's the point, right? So take action. I have other methods of making money online, which you can check on my YouTube channel. Share this video. Hopefully I'll see you on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.